it's Pam from House of Hawthorns. Today I'm going to show you how to make an owl out of a thrift store glass snack plate set. These were real popular probably like in the 50s and 60s. You would put your punch in these glass cups here, and then you'd put your sandwich and potato chips and stuff on there. They used them for like little luncheons and stuff like that. They sort of had a resurgence, a couple of years ago, and people would use them for like wedding, bridal showers or something. But really, they're the kind of thing that people bought a lot of and then realized, I don't have any room to keep all this stuff, so I'm going to take it to the thrift store. So lucky for us, thrift stores are full of this stuff. So what I'm going to do today, like I said, is make this into an owl. So this is my plate. I picked this plate out of all the different designs because I thought this stuff here sort of looked like feathers or something. So I'm going with that theory. Normally what I do is like dry fit everything on there and then glue stuff on. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to flip it over to the back. The face is going to be up here, so I want to put some wings down here. I found these grape little bowls. I don't know if they were for desserts or what, but I do see these a lot at thrift stores also. And I'm going to glue them on here to make little wings. So let me get my glue ready for that. This is the glue that I'm using. It is GE Silicone 2 Plus Clear, 100% silicone. It's for windows, doors, attics, and basements. You want something that says it's waterproof. Ideally something that says it's for outdoors. I don't see where this one says it's for outdoors. But since it's weatherproof, I'm assuming it's for outdoors and it's made for your doors. So, you know, go figure, that's what I'm going with. So what I'm going to do is try and figure out where this fits onto the back of the plate, and then we'll apply our glue. So I think I want them to go like this. So probably I need glue from roughly, glue from roughly here to here. So let me go ahead and put some of that on. And I'm just going to put the glue on where it's going to touch up against the other glass. So let's flip that over and press it down on. This is not instantaneous glue though. Like if I moved my hands, it would just come off. So I'm gonna put like a bag of powdered sugar underneath it just to have it be at the right angle, I guess. So we're gonna leave that sit for a little bit, and then I'll come back and show you some more after that's set. Now that the wings have dried, I'm gonna move on to the eyes, and I'm going to use these mugs for the eye, and then in the middle of each eye, I'm gonna put a shot glass, which has like a green bottom to it. So it more sort of makes like green eyes, I guess. It's a green-eyed owl. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the shot glass in the bottom of that first. Just so I don't have to press down too hard on the other one. Oops, sorry, out of camera range there. So that is glued down there. And then we'll do it on the second one, because an owl has to have two eyes, I guess. Okay, so those are glued on there now. And I'm going to glue them on here. I'm not real confident if I press very hard that the whole thing's not going to break at this point, just because it's freshly glued. So I'm sticking like a little bag of flour, or it's actually powdered sugar underneath it there. And then I'm going to glue these on here. And I'm sort of using the handle as like eyelashes maybe or something. So I'm just setting that on there. Gonna set the other one on there also. And those will be good to go. And while I'm here, I'm going to put the beak on. The beak is a spoon. So I'm going to flip the spoon over and put it on backwards. So I'm just gonna place it on there. Oops, let's move all this over just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna place it on there so you can see like roughly where it's gonna go and where it's gonna hit the glass. So I need glue down here and then glue up at the top of the spoon. So I'm gluing away up here and then glue down on the bottom. I'm gonna stick some glue here. I can't remember if it hits when I'm down there, but might as well stick a little bit extra glue on there. Oops. And then I'm just gluing them right on. Try to make sure he centers up a little bit. But he's looking good. So I'll be back when that dries to show you what else we have to glue on there. So now that I have the eyes on and the beak and the wings, I'm going to add some feet. And what I'm using is this, it was a set of tongs that I found at the thrift store that look amazingly like feet for a bird. So I cut those in half. So like I said, this was tongs that I cut in half. You could also use forks. Forks look like feet for an owl also. So what I'm gonna do is just apply glue here, slide it up under here, and then I also have a stick which I'm going to attach. So they'll have 2 feet and a stick, and it'll look like he's sitting on a branch. So I'll do that, and then next thing you'll see is him all completed.